In this video, we're going to take a look at configuring tools. And tools are configured a number of different ways, and there's lots of options. So we're going to look at each one individually. So to configure the tools, we're first going to open up the learning object. The tools are located in the toolbox. You can configure date, score, discussion topics and how those work, the submit tool, which is basically just turning on the tool so that the student can submit something to their instructor. You can add a meet session if that's part of what you do in your courses, as well as adding assessments. So those toolbox items are located there. Now, generally speaking, the way they work is you click the off button and that turns it on and then reveals additional configuration options. And again, that really depends on the tool and which one you're using. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this one off. If you want to turn on score, you're going to turn score on by clicking the off button, but you'll notice as soon as you do that, not only do you need to add points, you also need to configure the date. So those two things are linked together. I'm going to turn that off and then turn that off so we can do the next one. Discussions. Discussions are, when you click that on, you are asked to either add a topic and a description, or you can actually just turn it on and not add anything to it. What that means is the tool will be on in the course, but the instructor or whoever's teaching the course will have to add in the discussion topic. So it's really just activating the tool. Submit. There is no configuration, it's just a slot in the Dropbox where students can turn in assignments. Meet is just a link to the online meeting tool that's a part of that section when the course is deployed. And Assess opens up a whole new interface at the bottom that is where you will configure different assessments with different types. So that's an overview of tools and then the toolbox. In the other videos, you'll see how to configure and how each of those works individually.